How to find app lock settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find app lock settings on Android phone. First, then open settings, and now just scroll down until you find security, and here we'll find app lock. Click on it, and here you can enable it, or you can just type here app lock, and you will find it, and then click enable, and just select any password you want. And that's how to find the app lock settings. And that's it for today's video. It's easy, and if you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.